So today we will see how to upload the current project Laravel Livewire CRUD application. So how I will upload this project on Git. So I need to explain about Git. Okay, so Git. So first of all, we will upload this project, but before uploading this project, I want to explain something. What is Git and why we are using this? So Git is just like a version control system. Version control system where we can track our code history, like when we have pushed the code, when we have changed any particular file, any line of code. So if you have pushed the code on server before 6 months, so after 6 months we can also check the which code you have changed before 6 months. And the biggest thing is, if you are working on in a team, so we can't without Git we can't track which team member is going to push whatever he want, and the thing. So Git is tracking every particular team member code update, like in which file which team member is updated which line of code, so something like that. Okay, so Git is just like a tool. So if anybody if in interview or anywhere, if anybody asks you what is Git, so Git is just like a tool. It's a versioning control system. It's just like a tool. And GitHub is a website which is using internally Git. So I can say that GitHub is only a website which is using Git as a tool. So they are tracking the code with the help of Git. So all the not only the Git, the other one also, example of other website like Git, GitLab, and Bitbucket, all are using internally they are using Git as a tool. So GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket, or many others also, all are just like a website which is using Git internally. So when I want to my current project is this. So if I want to push this code into our Git repository, so first of all we need to go to our terminal. So let's open the terminal. Okay, terminal. So first of all we need to initiate the Git. So if you want to check in your project Git is installed or not, so just git status. Okay, so okay, so you can see the Git is not initiated in our project. So first of all we will do git init. It will create a Git file inside our directory. So when we so you can see initialized empty Git repository in the Laravel Livewire CRUD.git. So now you can see now Git is initiated. So if you again we are running this same code git status. So now you can see on branch master no commit yet and untracked file. These are the all are the untracked file because this file is not added. So if you want to add the file, so just we are writing the git add. Okay, so if you want to add a single file, so git add and then write your file name. Suppose if you are vit.config.js, if you want to commit, so just write this one. Otherwise you can if you want to add all the files, so git add dot, it will add all the file into Git. Okay, So it will git add dot I have run that command, and now all the file is, so you can see if you check git status, now all file are green, not in red color like this. So just you can see, because all the file is added. You can see no commit yet, changes to be committed, means git file is added but not committed. So if you want to commit, just write this command git commit -m. -m means message whatever you want. So this is the first commit, so I am going to write here first commit. Okay, or now press enter. So all the commit is committed. Now the one thing I have to do, we need to go to our git repository. Okay, so now I am going to create a new repositories. Just click on new, and write this one, Laravel Livewire CRUD. Okay, so same thing we will write Laravel Livewire CRUD. Okay, so we will create a repository and the visibility is public, and nothing to do, only you have to click on create repository. Okay, and now you can see the Laravel Livewire CRUD is ready. Or now you can see there is some commands. So we have done this git init already I have done, git add done, git commit we have done, and only we have to do git remote add origin. Okay, so this command we will run in our local, system. Okay, so now the remote is defined, the whatever git repository you want to add this code. So just you need to run this code, git push origin, git push. So we will write git push origin master, because our branch is master. You can see there is master on my branch master. So we will write, run this command git push origin master and press enter. Okay, so you can see there is no file this time. You can see there is no file. This folder is empty, but when this process is finished, so you can see all the code is there. So when I am going to refresh this, you can see all the file which you have in your local. You can see app, http model and all that. I'm going to just so you can see app, http database and all that, everything is here. So you can see all the file is here now. So this way you can upload your Laravel file to our git repository. We have finished the code to push the git, and in next we will work on view part. We will create a view for the post, manage post and all that. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any types of problem regarding your git configuration, and if you want to push git on push the local code on your git, if you are facing any types of problem, you can comment and I will reply on it. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, see you in next video. Till then, bye, take care.